Hey guys, I got some really exciting news. Tomorrow morning, early at the crack of dawn, I'm flying to Berkeley, California to sign the papers on a sailboat. 2 weeks ago, I flew up to Berkeley, California and looked at a Hallberg Rassy 312 Mark II sloop-rigged sailboat. I spent the whole day Saturday looking at it with the owner, and yeah, the engine's in great shape. The boat was taken care of really well. The teak inside is beautiful, and the owner's great. I'm really excited to fly up there tomorrow, and yeah, he's take me through the boat and maybe even go out sailing. It is currently 4:55 in the morning. I just called an Uber. Headed to Berkeley right now on a plane out of LA. I'm here in beautiful Berkeley Marina. I got my checkbook in my backpack and I'm ready to buy this boat.
Hello.
Hey Ben, I'm here at the gate.
I'll be ready. I'll be there in about 5 minutes.
Hey guys, want to take a tour of the boat? Alright, I'm sitting in the cockpit right now. Here is the stern. There's the bow. Those are the two sailing terms that I have down. Let's go down below. I got the galley over there, sink, stove, and fridge. There are 2 berths in the salon for sleeping, and this table folds out. There's a V-berth in the bow, which isn't super comfortable, so it's kind of a storage area. This is the head. It's in great shape. They never use it. And yeah, that's basically it. There's another berth back here, pilot's berth. And then you got your radio and your stereo, all your gauges and switches. So, step 1 is complete. I got a boat, and now the next step is to just sail a ton. Get really good at sailing, and also fix up the boat and get it ready to take it across the North Pacific. I'm glad that this chapter's over and I can move on to the next steps. But yeah, it's been a wild ride, and I'm excited for the adventure ahead.
It's what you make.